Google's Gemini AI is joining forces with Apple's iOS 19 series about to get a major upgrade. Stick with GadInsider to find out how. What's up, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Google's CEO Sundar Pichai just dropped a bombshell. Gemini AI might power Apple Intelligence in iOS 19, launching this fall. This could supercharge Siri and more. Let's unpack the details. US antitrust trial. Pichai revealed Google's close to sealing a deal with Apple to integrate Gemini AI into iPhones by mid-2025. Think of it like ChatGPT's role in iOS 18.2. Gemini could handle complex Siri queries or power writing tools, making your iPhone smarter. The deal aligns with WWDC 2025 on June 9, where Apple will unveil iOS 19. If finalized, Gemini could roll out in September, boosting Apple Intelligence. Why care? Gemini could make Siri a powerhouse, answering tougher questions or summarizing emails with ease. Apple's pushing for multiple AI options. A ChatGPT is already in, and Gemini's next, giving you choices for how Siri works. Posts on X are buzzing, with fans excited for a more fluid AI experience, though some worry about Google's data privacy. Apple's likely to keep things opt-in, like ChatGPT, to protect your info. Wanna be ready? Download the Gemini app now to test it out. It's already on iOS. Mark your calendar for WWDC 2025 June 9th for iOS 19's big reveal, and follow GadInsider for updates on this deal and hands-on demos when iOS 19 drops. That's the scoop on Gemini and iOS 19. GadInsider fam, are you hyped for a smarter Siri? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay in the tech loop.